You can also have a drop down list. So drop down list is used like a select element. Okay, you can give a name of this drop down list like a cars id. You can give as well cars id. So the first option, which is Volvo, whatever you put as a value it will not appear, but whatever you put between option element it will appear, like a Volvo. You see, let me put a break here to break. Yes, you see this is uppercase and this is lowercase, so whatever you put as a value it will not appear on the web page, but whatever you put between the option element it will appear. Well, whatever you put here it is for the web page, and whatever you put here this is for your server, what kind of values you are receiving. So let me have Volvo, and then I can use a sub, or I can sub here again. You can have Volkswagen. So here, that's how you can create drop down list. If you want another, and which is empty, you can leave like this, there's nothing. So you see the first one is empty, or you can put as a hyphen, you can choose. So then you let users to choose one of these three values. You can also use a an attribute like size is of 3. So by default it will show you 3 values, or if you want to show 4 values,